It's 7:20 on Saturday, September 12th, and it's raining. It's sunny and it's raining. This is the first major rain. It's been raining for like an hour. It's the first major rain we've had in 3 months, 4 months maybe, probably since May. So what is that? May, April, June, July, August, September, maybe a little bit more.
It's a storm, Pop.
It's a storm.
I don't like storms.
You don't like storms.
No, because they're scary.
They're scary.
Yeah.
Hey Jack, what's Mama doing?
Oh, she's best friend.
She's running in the rain. That's right.
What?
It's not very good?
No,
Oh. Why?
because the dogger and her, they, Mama, I get wet.
Oh, well, she doesn't have the jogger, honey. It's just Mama. Just Mama's running. Is that okay?
No,
Oh. Why?
because Mama might get wet.
Oh, well, you know what?
What?
Mama needs it to be cool in order to run, and it is cool.
But there's the drop coming.
Yeah. This is
Oh,
fun.
can you take that?
You want me to get that out of the rain?
No.
Oh, you want me to take a picture of the rainbow?
Yeah.
Yeah. It might be kind of hard to see. It was easier to see earlier. I got a picture of it earlier.
Mom, I'm gonna say it again.
Okay.
I'm not gonna see it.
I hope it'll come out again, honey. All right. What do you think about the rain, Jack? You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Me too.
I just